In today's video, I'm going to show you a great website to get some free Midjourney prompts. And since prompts are really important to get great outcomes out of, for example, Midjourney or Stable Diffusion or any other AI service that can do some pictures or also ChatGPT, it is really important that you watch this video all the way to the end to not miss anything. So before we get into this, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to go to Google and search for free Midjourney prompts. So just search for that, and then this will pop right here. And there are a lot of different websites with these free Midjourney prompts. Also, for example, Reddit. But a website that I found that's really good is mpost.io. So just click on that, and then you will be on this website right here. And here you already got the first prompt. So the first prompt is the second prompt is an Earth after human extinction, a new beginning, nature taking back the planet, harmony, peace, Earth balanced version. And then even with like ratios and like these little words. And I think these look absolutely beautiful. And this is free, completely free prompts. I've shown you a website before where you can buy these image prompts for Midjourney, but they cost like $5 and things. And here you can get them for completely free, and you can get great results with them. So let's just move on to the next one here. This is a bit different one. I don't really like that, so I'm just gonna skip that. But this one is really cool. A home built with soap bubble, windows, doors, porches, and so much more. And this looks absolutely gorgeous. Same with this little photo of an extremely cute alien fish. So this is really cool what you can do with this. Now let's just move on and look at some more. These are some ducks, rubber ducks, aliens, that's funny. And yeah, now let's just find my favorite one. One of my favorite ones is probably this one right here because I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Hydrophant, Godlight, Cinematic Look, Octane, Render, Underwater, Wallpaper. This is really beautiful and a great prompt to use. Same with this one, for example. And also this one is really great. And you can see it looks like real art. So you can even try selling some of these pictures. Or even you can get these free prompts and sell them on places such as Prompt-Base that I showed you last time. And then get money for the prompts, since these are really cool prompts to get great images. So definitely check this out. It's 50 prompts, 50 really cool prompts such as this one, where you can get nice images from Midjourney and other AI generating platforms. So if I were you, I would definitely check this out. So make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.